Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to get the blue tick inside Facebook. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, make sure Facebook is updated to the latest version by heading over to your Player App Store. Once that is done, click on Facebook. And then from here, you want to click on the hamburger looking icon. And then you want to scroll down and click into settings and privacy, like so. And then you want to click into settings because you want to get to your Meta account center. Once you're here, click on see more in account center, scroll down where it says Meta verified, click into that, and now you'll be brought to this page. So in my case, it says join the waitlist for Meta verified, but for you it might be different. You might be able to join straight away. So it all depends what location you are, what country, etc. So in this case, I can click on the join waitlist, and it says here, you might be able to see it, for $24.99 per month you get access to exclusive benefits. So I'm going to click on the join waitlist, and there you go, I'm on the waitlist to be Meta verified. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.